Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today video is about how to use video editor on your mobile. So if you are a mobile user and you don't know how to edit your videos, so this video is for you. So first of all, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So let's move to a software name as InShot for your editing on your mobile phone. You have to download this app. Now the next step is you have to select the video. So after selecting the video, I'm going to tell you the feature of this video editor app so you can easily edit your videos. Now selecting our videos, if you want to change the background of your video, there's an option of Canva. You have to press on that, and then background, you can change background of your videos easily. So if you want to get background from your photo library, you can also download a background and push it there from your library. There's also option of that. You can see on a screen this photo option. You can add a background from your photos or any other videos. So this is the basic advantage of this app. You can also add background of your own choice. So the next step is how to add a text in your video. So you can see there's an option of T. Press on that. There you can easily type any text you want to add in your video. If you want to add subtitles, so from this app you can easily also add subtitles in your video. So this is how you can add subtitles in your video or mention something if you are doing a tutorial video. So you can easily write step 1, step 2 or step 3 easily. So this is a very basic feature every app has, and you will know how to use it. So the next step is how to zoom your video. You can also click on video, and if zoom the video, it will help you how to zoom the video. If you want to add music to your video, you can also add music into your videos. So there's an option of sticker. You can also add sticker, different type of stickers on your own choice emojis into your videos that appears, and the how this all works. So hope so friend you like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you want to record your own voice into your videos, you can easily add music of your own choice from your library or from your music store, or you can this app offers a lot of music and different choice of music ringtones and all that. You can easily add from this is your choice. So after that you can easily save your videos in different formats in resolution. So this is very benefit of this app, how you can easily create your videos into mobile phone. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.